Plastill TERMOpix system uses guide. Plastill TERMOpix system is an increased standard of thermal insulation's fixing procedure. It comes down to attaching fasteners into the pre-milled holes and clogging it with polystyrene caps. Openings can be made by using Plastill TERMOpix cutter. Having done so, we clog it with either white or grey cap depending on the kind and hardness of polystyrene. Plastill TERMOpix system advantages: elimination of condensed steam or frosting on the fastener's surface. Fiberglass mesh easy on. No irregularities. No thermal bridges. Using TERMOpix system prevents stains from appearing on the walls, so-called ladybird effect.